Investors await more news from Washington with negotiations to avoid a U.S. default set to continue. President Joe Biden is due to meet House Republican Speaker Kevin McCarthy later today in an attempt to get discussions back on track after Republican negotiators unexpectedly walked out of debt ceiling talks on Friday. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen repeated over the weekend that June 1st remains a hard deadline for raising the federal debt limit, and hard choices would have to be made if Congress failed to raise the $31.4 trillion debt ceiling before this date. A move by Beijing to bar U.S. firm Micron from selling memory chips to key domestic industries has ramped up tensions in an ongoing trade spat with Washington. China's cyberspace regulators stated that Micron had failed its network security review and that it would block operators of key infrastructure from buying from the company without providing any details of the actual risks. While the direct impact for Micron could be limited, the move could prompt some companies to rid their supply chains of Micron's products due to political risks. Ryanair achieved close to record full-year profit in the year ending March 31st and is cautiously optimistic that robust summer demand will ensure modest profit growth in the next 12 months despite less hedging and fuel costs and uncertainty over the timing of Boeing deliveries. The airline expects 10% traffic growth this year to more than offset a €1 billion rise in its oil bill, it said today, as it posted slightly better than expected annual post-tax earnings of €1.43 billion. Meta was hit with a record €1.2 billion fine by its lead privacy regulator in the European Union for its handling of user information and given 5 months to stop transferring users' data to the United States. The fine concerned Meta's continued transferring of personal data and topped the previous €446 million record EU privacy fine on Amazon.com. As Phillip Capital Team, we wish you happy and healthy days.